In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TurboTax customer service. It's crucial to know how to reach out for support when tackling your tax-related questions or issues, ensuring a smooth experience during tax season. Let's dive right into the process, making it straightforward and stress-free. First, you need to visit the TurboTax official website. Fire up your favorite web browser and type in turbotax.intuit.com to bring yourself to their homepage. This site is the gateway to finding the help you need, as well as accessing any other tax filing tools and resources TurboTax offers. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to protect your information and receive legitimate assistance. Once you're on the website, your next task is to scroll down the page. As you navigate, keep an eye out for the Contact Us link. TurboTax carefully organizes its website, so you should find this option towards the bottom of the home page. Clicking this will lead you to the customer service section, where you have several options for receiving help. After clicking to contact us, you're directed to a new page that's specifically designed to cater to TurboTax users seeking customer support. Here, TurboTax offers various forms of assistance, from live chat options and community forums to phone support if you prefer speaking directly to an agent. It's good practice to explore these options and see what fits your need. Some people prefer the immediacy of phone support, while others might opt for chatting online, especially if typing out questions feels more convenient. Now, while you're on this page, take a moment to gather any relevant information or questions you may have in order to make your contact with customer service as efficient as possible. Having details about your TurboTax account or any specific issues you're facing will enable the customer support agent to assist you better and quicker. This preparation step can significantly reduce wait times and ensure you receive a tailored response to your inquiry. Remember, reaching out to support is part of ensuring your filing process is as smooth and accurate as possible, and TurboTax is there to guide you on this journey. Don't hesitate to contact them when needed. Asking for help is a wise step in managing your tax responsibilities effectively. With the tools available on the TurboTax website, you're well equipped to find the assistance you need quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating to the contact options on TurboTax. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out more of our guides and ensure your tax filing is managed with ease and confidence.